Hi, it's Rich Bennett from the Ontario Regiment Museum again, and we're doing something a little bit more out of the ordinary, a little bit interesting. Currently, I'm sitting in our M60A3 that we are going to use as a tug start vehicle for our Chieftain Mark 11. We have a problem with the starter, either the ringer's stuck on it or it's just not wanting to start, so we're going to try and give her a little bit of a tug as per its manual to try and get the engine started. Hopefully successfully, and if not, it'll be another day of thinking about how we're going to get it in the building to perform our maintenance. We got to pull the pack on it to get out the starter, and there's some other minor issues that we need to address, but that will involve pulling the pack. So this is step number one. Like I said, hopefully successfully. So give us luck. We'll talk to you soon.
We'll get some cables off, I guess. Well, you started again. What's he doing?
All right, so we went through the effort of bringing out the M60, hooking up our tow cables to the Chieftain, and apparently this is the second time that it's done this. We went to tow start it, and we scared it with tow cables, and voila, instantly starts up. So I guess we're going to put everything back into the barn. We're done with the towing job for today, or the lack of towing if you want to call it that, and our Chieftain's now going to be driven into the shop properly so that we can get at our maintenance. All right, now you can see that our Chieftain Mark 11 is now back in our maintenance hangar. We're just shutting it down now. It's in a place where it's parked for its winter maintenance, so we'll pull the back deck apart, pull the engine out, and then you'll have two engines out on the floor, one out of our Leopard 1, which is right there, and next we'll have the Chieftain out, and we'll get out a bunch of cables and mechanisms that we want to get at with the engine. With the engine in, you can't get at it, so we have to pull the pack to do the maintenance. So stay tuned for more. There's going to be more videos to follow, so if you want to find us and search for some more, we're under tankmuseum.ca, or look at us on Ontario Regiment Museum and our Facebook page. So come back again and visit us.